Have you ever wondered where your money truly goes? In Japan, there's a quiet tradition called Kakeibo, the household finance book. Every month, families sit with simple envelopes, one for needs, one for wants, one for savings, and one for sharing. They write, they reflect, and they ask themselves, did I spend wisely? Did it make me happy? The Kakeibo method involves categorizing income for mindful spending. Income is divided into specific categories using physical or digital tools. Needs cover essential expenses like rent and utilities. Wants are allocated for non-essential or discretionary purchases. Savings are designated for achieving future financial goals. Sharing includes charitable contributions or gifts to others. Categorizing expenses provides a clear overview of spending habits. Sorting can be done physically or digitally for convenience. This process helps identify areas for potential spending adjustments. Improved budgetary control is achieved by aligning spending with financial goals. Kakeibo's main objective is cultivating financial awareness. It also promotes self-understanding in relation to spending habits. The focus is on awareness rather than strict financial control. This awareness leads to more informed financial decisions. It encourages a more mindful approach to spending money. Ultimately, Kakeibo enhances overall financial literacy.